It affects nearly 60% of men in the United States each year, and for most, it's an embarrassing, shameful experience. I'm talking about gynecomastia. In very simple terms, it's the enlargement of a male chest caused by excessive growth of breast tissue. Here to tell us about a procedure that can help is board-certified plastic surgeon Dr. Carlos Mata of Natural Results. Good to see you. So what is gynecomastia?
Well, basically it's male breast tissue. Some people develop it early on in puberty. Some people develop it during old age. And sometimes it happens because people take certain medications or do certain drugs.
Yeah, and socially, we talked about shame. There's so many men who live with this and they're quite embarrassed throughout their life.
It is. It's difficult to show up to a plastic surgeon's office and say, hey, I have male breast tissue that I want to correct.
Mm-hmm. What causes it? How does it happen?
Usually 90% of the time, we have no idea what causes it in terms of medicine. 10% of the time, usually it's brain tumors, testicular tumors, or certain drugs that can cause it.
Mm-hmm. Do you get it as a child and it stays with you? Can you get it as an adult? When do you start seeing the breast tissue enlarge?
Usually it starts during puberty, and most boys basically start to develop it, and sometimes it goes away, but very seldomly.
So there are a lot of men, and I know you specialize in this, who come to see you for gynecomastia surgery. Who's a good candidate for this surgery?
Well, the best candidates are people that have male breast tissue that are trying to get rid of it with minimal scarring. So anyone from the age of, I've done as early as 12 to all the way up to like 65, 70.
So is there an age that's too young?
Usually they have to be able to kind of understand what they have and what they want to get rid of.
So how is the surgery performed? How do you do it?
Well, usually it involves 3 parts. It means doing some liposuction, ultrasound to help liquefy the fatty breast tissue, and then directly excising it through a very, very small incision.
All right, so we're looking at some before and afters. These are dramatic results, and a lot of these are grown men. So what do they tell you once their surgery is complete?
They feel like a different person. They feel they can go to the beach, to the pool, they can take their shirt off, not feel they have to wear a tight Under Armour shirt to help compress everything.
Yeah, because I mean, you know, women, we wear bras, but men don't always have that luxury to do it. Where is the surgery performed? Where is it done?
It can be done in the office under local. It can be done under twilight anesthesia or even general anesthesia, depending on the person's comfort level.
Yeah, is there downtime associated with it?
Usually it's about a day to 3 days, but usually no exercise for at least 6 weeks.
Okay, and when the before and afters that we were looking at just now, are those instant results? I mean, will they wake up? And I mean, I know there'll be some swelling, but how quickly will they start seeing a different chest?
They can see their new chest within 24 hours.
Wow, that is incredible. And we're just now, I think, talking about this more openly. Do you see that you're getting an influx of men who are wanting to do this?
Yes, for sure. As societies become more open to the idea of improving themselves, it certainly is more of an option for males to come and see a plastic surgeon.
When I was doing some research on this, I was sharing this with you. I read 57% of older men have this. That's nearly 60%. That's a huge number.
Correct.
Statistically.
It sure is, and that's why I'm here trying to educate.
Yeah, to get the word out. And you've been doing this for how long? This type of surgery?
12 years now?
Yeah, you've been doing it. I've been interviewing you about gynecomastia. I know you're very passionate about this because you want to start the dialogue.
Correct.
You don't want men to be embarrassed anymore.
For sure.
Right. Come in and talk to a board-certified plastic surgeon. Dr. Mata, thank you. We appreciate you this morning. Let's give you a special offer now from Natural Results. You will receive a free chest liposuction with gynecomastia surgery or $1,000 off of that treatment. They're located at 11,000 North Scottsdale Road, Suite 100 in Scottsdale. To book your appointment today, call 480-418-5300 or visit their website, carlosmatamd.com, for more information.